Hey guys, Shadowhunt here, and today we have a tutorial on how to build a piston door. As you can see, this is what the finished product will look like. You know, this door in my command center building. And, whoops, sorry. That basically is just a command creation that I made. I can make a tutorial on how to make it later. But anyway, whoops. Okay, I'm just gonna rebuild this. And, well, you know what? I like diamond, so I'll put it there. Now, let's open the door, see, and you go right in. You see, that's how it looks like on the inside, with all the pistons and the redstone. So, let's go back out, and we're gonna show you, how to make it. So what you'll need is, you'll need piston, sticky piston to be exact. You'll need any block. I'll use wood, you know what? No, I'll use diamond. Yeah. But, anyway, you need redstone torches and redstone. And, well, I don't have redstone torches, so I'm just gonna need to go get them. Okay, we got them. So, let's go. Okay, open, and where should we build it? Okay, I'll go over there. Oh, wait a minute. What's with all the pork chops? I don't know. So let's go over there. Okay. We'll build it here. So first you make a pillar, then you put sticky pistons on it, facing that way, like so. Then you place blocks like that. You skip a block, 2 blocks, then you place more. Then what you do is you place the pillar of diamond behind it so you can place the sticky piston. Well, the pillar of whatever block, not just diamond. Then you break the blocks behind it, and there you go. That's your first step. Now you make another pillar, blocks behind it, 1 block behind it. There you go. Now, take your redstone torches, and you will put them, put them on that block. So the pistons will turn on, so half of the door should be shut. You see, they're touching the pistons. Then 2 more. Now the door is shut, and this is what it should look like now. You got it? We're all good? See it? Now this is actually going to be the back of the door. Right here, I'll show you later what the front looks like. But this, just so you know, is the back of the door. Right now. So you put one of those right there, and, well, okay, so I'll just show you. This is the front, but here's the back. So you want to place the block on the back instead of the front. So you place it like that, perpendicular to the other one, kind of making it like a staircase, and there you go. Now you've made 2 of them. Now you take redstone, leading out from that block, coming around, and then you lead from that top block like a staircase and connect. See, that's one side. Now do the same with the other side. I'll just show you. You make redstone leading off that block. Then it comes around. You get the redstone leading off the top block. And you're good. Right? So now, here is what you do. So you take this redstone, right? Okay. So you lead it out from there. And then you take the other side, lead it out, and then you put something like a button or a lever in that spot. Personally, I prefer a button because it's a lot faster and you don't have to have the hassle of shutting the door behind you. So that's what I'm going to be using right now. Then I put the button there, and watch. And you press the button, it opens the door. Now, to get it on the other side, what you simply do is take redstone, lead it out, bring it all the way around like that, and then you lead it all the way up, and you place another switch or button or whatever. And then that opens the door from the outside too. Now, what you do next is you can hide it if you want. You don't have to. So what you do is you place like a row of blocks there. Hide that one. Okay. You'd place like a row of blocks, not covering the door blocks, skipping them, and covering the wire. Now we're putting the ones next to the wire because later, you'll see we're making like an arch. But anyway, you make a second layer like I'm doing right now. And, okay, so we make one of those. Now what you do is you just place a block, like to make a 1-block arch so nobody can crawl or, get through there. Then you do that. And what you do, you don't have to, again, but you could make like an awning roof type thing if you want. So that's what I'm doing right now. And this can just go all the way over. Oops, place the diamond block. I'll get that. But anyway, you just place this awning all over. It doesn't matter if it crosses the door blocks. It won't interfere with it. Then we just bring it all the way back. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Then we just build that. Now, again, if you really want to, what you can do is you can go around the back and disguise it. So this is the finished front, but we're going to go around the back and disguise it if you want. Again, it's basically the same thing as the front, except a little different. You hide those pistons, just like so. There you go. Now what you do is, it's a little tricky, but you build that right there, and then you just make another arch and block that wall right there. Then you do the same with the other side. Oh, yeah, block that side wall. And that is it, basically. Just place this little, there is the front, the back, you place this little awning type thing. And that's it for today, and I will see you next time.